Good morning, class. So, beta, we were discussing about the foreign exchange rate. Till now, we have discussed about many things about the foreign exchange rate, like what is foreign exchange and what is foreign exchange rate. Then we have discussed about different types of rate: flexible exchange rate and fixed exchange rate. Okay, in flexible exchange rate, we have seen that how it is determined. It is determined on the basis of demand and supply forces. So today, beta, we will discuss about the impact of change in demand and supply. What will be the impact of demand and supply on the equilibrium rate of exchange? Clear? So increase in demand for foreign currency occur when more of it is demanded at its existing price. Decrease in demand for foreign currency occur when less of its demand at its existing price. Okay, so what does it mean? When your demand for foreign exchange is less, then your foreign exchange rate will also come down, and when you are demanding more foreign exchange, then your rate of foreign exchange, okay, will also go up. समझना बेटा ध्यान से कॉन्सेप्ट. Okay, what I told, if you are demanding less, the price will less, and if you are demanding more, then price will more. Likewise, in increase in supply of foreign currency occur when more of it's supplied at existing price. Decrease in supply of foreign currency occur when less of it's supplied at its existing price. Okay, beta. So, beta, if supply is less, then price is high, and supply is more, then price is less. Okay, now we will understand it one by one. So, beta, first condition is impact of increase in demand for foreign currency. What will happen if you are increasing more and more demand for foreign currency? So its impact will be, you will have to depreciate your currency. आपको अपनी currency का price depreciate करना पड़ेगा if you are demanding more foreign currency. Okay, this is the first condition. If you are demanding more, then you will have to depreciate the price of your currency. Second condition, if there is decrease in demand for foreign currency, then what will happen? The price of home currency or our currency will appreciate. Clear? Third condition, impact of increase in supply of foreign currency. Okay, now supply of foreign currency is more. In that case, what will happen? The currency of our country will be appreciated. Okay, and when decrease in supply of foreign exchange, in this situation, what will happen? Our country's currency will be depreciated. Okay, beta. So these all are the 4 conditions in which affect the equilibrium exchange rate. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.